Okay, we're almost done, and if you want, you can take your Allen wrench and you can set it in there first, okay? Then you can hold that like that and put it up there so that the handle, so that you've already got it in there, you know? Okay, now I've got to push it all the way in, and see, I can't tighten the Allen wrench until I pull this out a little bit, so I got water coming out. Gotta make sure I don't hit the camera or my name. It's gonna be mud. I'm tightening it up. That set screw is going right up in that notch as we speak. I want to make this fairly snug, as tight as I can. Okay. And it almost feels like this Allen wrench is twisting in my fingers, but I want to give it another little Okay. There. That handle is there to stay. It's not going to come off. And we've got her fixed. What do you say about that? Let's check it again now. I'm going to get this out of the way. We're gonna do the full Monty here. Okay. Got that up there. Here's the cold. Here's the hot. Plenty of water pressure. Okay. Now I'm going to shut it off. And that type of shower head is going to grip ever so slightly. Look at that. This time it didn't, did it? These are kind of flighty type things, you know. And if these ever get clogged up and don't stream, you can take your fingernail and you just click, 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 click. What that does, it cleans out the alkaline buildup, the salt and mineral deposits in here. And then you can get all these to go. If one's spraying out the wrong direction, just click it. Just click it and then you'll redirect it, okay? I hate it, that's my pet peeve, when all of these aren't coming out and some are squirting out off to the side, or you got one or two that are coming really super hard and they're digging right into your shoulder or something. And the reason why they're doing that is because quite a few of these are going to be plugged up, and then you've got more water pressure coming out of one of these, and it just has to be a thinner, stronger bead that almost wants to bore right into you, okay? All right, thanks for joining me on this project. Now you know how to do it, and hey, if I can do it, you can do it. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.